Hope everyone's fine. There we go. Getting shit moved around because everything's completely not the way I want it. Which is a problem if you really like where you're really particular where everything goes. I'm not like a super clean freak or neat freak, but like when I'm working, I want everything to be as it should. And it really drives me nuts when it's not. So I think I've said the same thing 8 times in the last minute, or how long we've been on. Minute, pretty much a minute. So, yeah. Oh, just going to try to get everything ready. And there's one thing, and I never do it every single time. I never remember to open Visual Studio. And that's on me. Weird. Why didn't they show the last one? I don't know. Perfect. Work profile. Go away, Bitdefender. Appreciate you protecting me, but Jesus, get out of my way. Ah, water. Wish I had a better water bottle. Not better, but like, I don't know. This one's got nice increments to tell me how much I've drank, but I don't know. It's awkward, and I should just drink out of a bloody graduated cylinder, to be brutally honest. So, in any case, this evening I'm hoping to, if not finalized, but like, might be able to get all the way through it. Don't know, but it's basically the last part. So the part where you get through the last puzzle and you get up to the trigger that gives the last bit of narrative. And then after that is a boss fight, and then after that is like kind of like the last thing the player can do, which is basically use the probably some gate key or something. I don't know, some kind of key, which lets them use the final exit gate, which is the end of the game essentially. And I'll probably put some sort of fade out and then text across the top to, this is what happens. Not this is what happens after, but like an ending to it. So hopefully it goes well. I don't know. I haven't kind of planned it. I haven't planned out narratively, loosely, but I don't really know how I'm going to do it development wise. I kind of do. At least I know the sequence of events, so it shouldn't be that bad. But it's been so long since I've worked on this particular boss fight that I'm sure the boss itself needs some work, needs some love. Speaking of which, I had originally intended for there to be like in this endless wave gauntlet of like little enemies, enemies anyway. That has to go away. So I also have to figure out a way of making sure the player has enough ammo. And basically, so say they screw up and they just sit there and shoot a wall. You can't, maybe you can defeat this boss with a knife. I can't. But I need some sort of, I might make like an ammo pile that, every so often it just says, hey, there's ammo here, and you just go run to it and pick it up, or something along those lines. Like basically some 2 spots where there's maybe 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 spots where the player can go periodically, and it'll be like, hey, there's ammo here. Randomly generated ammo. Something like that. It'll be a separate script, and I suppose I could use that on other boss fights, as long as I have like a. See, it doesn't really make sense narratively to have like ammo piles lying around, but like this is the last fight area is a military base, so it actually like it would make sense there would be ammo lying around. You'd think anyway, but in a trailer park, maybe police station, maybe. Quarantine area at a hospital, but that one seems doable even with a knife. Like you can do that one with a knife. It's difficult, but you can do it with a knife. What's the other boss fight? Oh, the power plant, the blowing up power plant. That one. Oh, there's maggots. There's little maggot spawns so they can drop ammo. Again, narratively doesn't make much sense, but I just never liked those. I never liked those encounters where like, I don't say I never liked them, but I always thought it was odd that, like, you know, say you go to a spot and then you'd find ammo, and then, you know, you take it all, then you go and you fight the boss, and then you run back to the spot and like on a shelf there just happens to be 4 more ammo boxes or something along those lines. Like that, I get why they did that because it's, you need to do it somehow, but like, I don't know. Like maybe if there's a bunch of crates and then during the boss fight, the boss, I don't know, does something and then like something falls from off a wall and busts a crate, and then ammo pops out. That makes sense, kinda. But thankfully, like I said, in this particular scene, I don't need to do that, or I can't do that. Or sorry, I don't need to do that. Yeah, that is the correct term that I'm looking for. So hopefully all goes well. I don't know how long it's going to take to set this up, but I'm yammering on for the sake of yammering on because we got time. I usually don't start getting into the actual proper work till about 10 minutes in. And we're almost there now. Oh man, yawn. Oh my goodness. Oh, so, yeah, but we might have to just say screw it and jump right in. Which, you know what? Let's just do that. So let me click the right buttons. Hey, we're there. Hopefully the audio's fine. Anywho, so this is, oh, come on, go down. Unity, go down. Why won't you go down? Will you go up? Why would I go down? That's weird. I'm gonna save that layout. Work. Oh. That's weird that it won't let me move that down further. Oh, because of this. Oh wait, is that why? Do they have to be connected together or something? What if we put this one in here? No, but I don't want there. I want it to be there. Oh, this is so annoying. Why can't I make that? Oh, Unity. I want you to go here. I want that whole thing to be connected. Very annoying. Is it because of this? I don't know. Either way, we're gonna put that back. Yeah, that's annoying. Pfft. Well, right out of the gate, that sucks. It shortens my working area. Okay, so this is the last dude. Yeah, he's a dead guy on the ground. Hee hee. And I need to set up a trigger, so... Do I even have dialogue triggers in here? I do not. Oh. That's weird. Dialogue triggers. And let's create one here. So where are you now? You're probably over here where you shouldn't be. So I don't quite know where I want. I might make it span this entire thing, so no matter what the player finds it or hits it. I believe -14 should suffice. And we're gonna call this final boss fight. Start final boss fight trigger. Doesn't really matter what I call it. And now I think dialogue trigger. Yeah, that's it. And I also have to log this into my level controller. Dialogue trigger state. There's 1, and it's you. Boop. Oh, hey, Vein Brain. Oh, that's fine. No worries. You like to make me sweat, don't you? Uh-oh. Oh, fair enough. Look, man, no worries. I lost where I was, so I need a box collector is fine. How are you feeling? Getting much done over the last few days? This is a trigger. Gizmos. Turn that mesh off. So I could do it there. Yeah, I can do it there. Wait, whoa. There we go. Fair enough. Now actually, flowchart. Oh crap! I gotta bring some in. On level start. What's this? Don't need this block. Delete. Yeah, see, all of this needs to be completed. Or not completed, needs to be done. So we need a block. This will be, we're gonna call it, whoops. Boss event. Fine. Copy that name, throw it into the trigger. Boop. Cool. So I actually have to, flowchart, dialogue scene 1. Oh, not you. Yes. Copy. And then where's the flowchart for this level? Where are you? I used to know how to do this. Could actually, where is it? No. Hey Josh, how are you? Nope. Why can't I find the flowchart for here? This stupid level. It's in here somewhere. Oh, level flowchart. Nerp. No! That's the one I needed. So dialogue setup. So invoke method. Dialogue state. It's true. Oh, this is level manager. I'm trying to remember what needs to be set here. Level manager. Where are you? Update dialogue state. It's true. Get rid of this copy part here. What you up to, Josh? So here I'm sorry you can't see it because my camera's in the way. I'm just setting up the flow. So I'm gonna call this block dialogue setup. And we're going to wait until finished. Now in the dialogue setup, player control. This is where we tell the player to not move, essentially. Where are you? Player movement. Dialogue status is true. Player attack. Dialogue status is true. Where are you? Dialogue status true. Perfect. Follow camera. That is on. You guessed it. The camera. Follow camera. Where the F are you? Oh, derp, I just disabled the follow camera. Follow camera, bool enabled, false. There we go. Last hour of work, itching to get my... Yeah, I know what you mean, Josh. The whole day today, all I wanted to do was just finish so I could jump into this, so I know exactly how you feel. By the way, is my audio fine? I know every so often I seem to have audio issues with this camera. Cache camera rotation. I don't even know why I do that, but let's do it anyway. It is follow camera. Say pre-dialogue rotation. I think that's right. And this is get transform data, so I also need another variable. Vector 3. Cam position. Sounds normal. Good. Okay, good. Cam position. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Could be a bit more Irish. Haha, the 33 trees. I don't. That's all I know. I know very, very little Gaelic. Jesus, that's awful. Sorry for that. I feel dirty after saying that. Okay, so actually one more thing I need to do is dialog end. I'm gonna copy this. I need to take this one, find the flowchart here, paste it in. Boom, done. Fade. Okay, that's fine. Enable player control, enable follow camera, and the transform is this camera again. Cam position. Player control. Why do I have 3 of them set there? That's scary. Why do I have 3? Dialog status false. Player attack. Dialog status is false. What the fuck is the third one? Ooh. Well, we're gonna get rid of it for now. I'm sure I'll find it out. Follow camera. Let's enable that. By the way, I'm not sure if you guys have seen in Discord. I think I'm gonna move away, kind of. Sorry, follow camera enabled. Move away from the seeing through objects. Now I'm gonna keep it in for the really tall buildings because I have to. Just because some of them are so tall that the camera actually goes inside them and then it just doesn't look right. So by fading them out, it's fine. But I'm starting to use, I'm gonna keep all the stuff that's at like more the player height, blah, 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 like, you know, cars and like, you know, I guess the mid-level buildings and vehicles and stuff. I'm gonna start using an outline. So when the player's obscured, you see an outline of the player. This way, hopefully, it will also help reinforce the fact that the player can manually move the camera. Enemies, you'll be able to see enemies behind the wall as well. I'm probably going to code it in where only at a certain distance you'll be able to see them. This way you don't see them from across the map, like, you know, from way behind walls. But like if they're aggroed, like if they're coming at the player, you should be able to see them. Well, no, it'll be distance based. But all of your key items, your ammo, your weapons, they won't be outlined, they'll be hidden. So yeah, I'm hoping it works out well. I have it implemented kinda. The outline doesn't look as nice as I want it to. The only thing I'm worried about is anytime you start playing around with shaders, or scripting shaders, you run the risk of having build problems. So it's something I'm gonna have to test sooner than later. I can just do another survival build and see, one, if the build passes, then two, what it looks like when it's actually in game or when it's actually being played, because shaders are, it's not scary, they're complicated, or they can be ultra complicated. So yeah. Okay, so and this, at the very end of this, we want to duplicate that, and instead of calling dialog setup, we're going to call dialog end, and all of the crap in between goes in between. So for example, I need to borrow this fade, copy this, boop, paste you in there. We're going to fade in and fade out for reasons. So more shit's gonna go. Now I have to actually pull up my narrative. Where did I put it? It's on here somewhere. Hopefully I can log in real quick and get it. Just log me in, you dafty bastard. Go away, Happy New Year. Piss off. Design model, plot points, open. Okay. Okay, cool, there. Copy you. Hey, let's add in a flow. No, let's say narrative. Say dialogue. There. That's a lot of talking actually, but that's okay. Character is shit. I actually don't have my player character here. Tool. Fungus. Create. Character. I actually don't have it. Character name. That's dumb. There. Dan. Okay. Why is he just named character? Oh, because there. I don't need any of the portraits and stuff in there. Okay, play with something. Okay, that's gonna be the other hard part to do. So I'm gonna need. This is gonna have some convolutedness. Now this is a lot. So what if I can bring this out? Oh, you guys can see some of it. So I'm gonna duplicate this. And this will be the last block. Paste that in there. Cure. And I can get rid of you, so I need another one in there. Hold on a minute. That's spelling is gonna be the bane of my. Let's duplicate you again. I think I can put that in there. So there's 3 things. That should be okay. Obviously, I have to test that. So after this dialogue plays, he says these 3 stupid things. And then I have player moves to the exit gate but is shadowed by the dead man's body mutating into the last boss. And then after the player kills the boss, it triggers this thing. And then there's like one more. Okay. So this is the next hard part. After this, I need to oh, hold on. Do I even need this? I don't even think I need that. So after this, I need to warp my player. I forget how I did that. So I basically need to warp my player, like fade out. No. Or maybe. So there's 2 things I could do. I can do it all in one block. As in, I can have the player hit, you see this dialogue here, and then you get player control back, and then the player can dick around, explore however they want. Maybe I'll put some enemies in here, it's no big deal. But this is the exit gate. And maybe I can put a trigger somewhere in here where as soon as I hit that exit gate, or as soon as I hit that trigger, then I'll do this next part. Yeah, I might actually do that. So instead of boss event, I'm gonna call this I'm gonna call it find antagonist. Whoops. And we're gonna copy that into, where the fuck do I put you? There. Find antagonist. And I'm gonna call this start event narrative. Just so I know what it is. Okay, let's duplicate this and let's bring it over here. That's way too fucking big. Actually, it doesn't really matter, to be honest, but that's basically there. So this is the exit part. So no matter what, like the player can, if they find it and see it, they can go over, look around, and there'll be some enemies and stuff. Maybe like in here, I can just put like the gate key. It'll be something simple. Although that's not very, I don't really know how I want to do this. Oh, I'm going to put it right there, just in case the player decides to try to be sneaky. Although, can they? No, they can't anyway, but I'll put it there anyway. So they hit this. And this is where I'm going to need some VCams. So I'm going to need some VCams. I'm going to need basically the camera to be looking at the player this way towards, I guess, towards the gate. And then the shadow of the boss, I'll have to have another model, like basically scale up. And the shadow of the boss, hopefully, will put a shadow over top of the player. And then that's what's going to start the event. Like there won't be any, unless the dialogue could be like, oh, you know, oh shit, or something along those lines. Obviously that's not, doesn't have to be finalized at this particular point in time. But start fight, I call it start fight. Something like that. Yeah, then actually I can just call that block. So I actually could just call final boss. Are we gonna do that? Yeah, let's do that. Final boss. It's enough. Let me, before I forget, let's add this to my level controller, because that'll suck if I don't. Hey. Oh, don't give me this bug. Unity, you and your damn bugs. Yeah, like sometimes I can't edit things in here, like the numbers won't, it won't even, whatever. There we go. Da-da-da-da, that's there. Okay. Boop. Sorry. Getting notifications on like 4 different fucking screens. Where was I? Yes, so you can go here now. And then I can get rid of these links, I think. Oh yeah, this is the wave counter. Do I really want to? No, I'm just gonna keep this here. Final boss. I'm gonna call this just old. I'm gonna copy this, paste it here. I don't want to, just until I find out exactly. I forget how I wired up the boss previously. So you, boop, boop, copy, paste. Okay. I might. The only thing, see, I'd rather just do this all in one block. But the thing is, the player will be coming in this way. Will be coming in from the, you know, and hit it. But I can just warp the player over here, like fade out, move the player so he's looking at the gate. Actually, maybe I can just do that, looking at the gate. And then I can just call this block anyway. I'm fairly sure I have a warp script. How did I do it in another one? Which one is it? Wolf Boss? It is Wolf Boss. I had it in, okay, I'm just gonna save this. Save. I'm gonna look, instead of me trying to sit there and figure it out for 20 minutes, I'm just gonna load the scene and look at how I wired it up. It was in the trailer park. Tell boss to get player. Look to, no. Oh, maybe I gave up on it. Maybe I didn't do it. Yeah, I gave up on it. Flowchart transfer, flow chart. Yeah, it looks like I gave up on that. It was probably because I had a camera issue. You can always try it again. Flowchart, transport, player. Oh. Oh, yeah, because it's called prefab, because that's dumb. Okay, flowchart, transport, player. We'll try it. The whole point of this is to just fuck around and see if we can get it done. No, don't save it. Didn't do anything. So in here... Oh, we're still clicked on that for some stupid reason. Where is my fungus stuff? There we go. So we're going to add in a scripting event. I believe it's invoke event. So player movement, if I can find it. Flowchart transport player, and now I need I need an extra spot to move the player, so I can just move him right over there. Where should I put it? Level map objects, yeah, I'll put it there. create an empty. Event warp to position. Oh, and it said 0, 0, 0. Whee! 14. So right there. Maybe right here. Because it doesn't really matter where I have the boss. How am I going to lerp that boss? I've never done that in Fungus before. I'm going to try to do it all with this flowchart editor. Warp layer to new, new position. And you go here. Now that position is looking at the gate. We should probably rotate it a bit so it looks not as obvious. Cool. And then here, actually, I'm going to fade. I'm going to copy these again. Fade out, we warp, and we fade in. Next, get at the rear of the base. I should be able to leave town from there. Cool. There we go. So the player comes in, and I need a model. I need the Hell Creeper model. Let's see. Hey, where is he? He's in here somewhere. Down here, Hell Creeper. So it's 5 is the 3, 6. Jesus. Where's the? Oh, derp. I'm looking for the mesh. Hell Creeper. Where's the mesh? There it is. I just need you. So you can pop in here. And I believe. Ah, it's the model. I need the prefab. Son of a bitch. Oh my god. My Unity layout just died and I had to remake it and it's just not doing it for me. Prefabs, thank you. Red. Now why does that look smaller than what? It doesn't really matter. Where's the other one? Where's the actual one? Might as well get the size right. Oh, it's the same size. Okay. Hey. Nope, not doing that. Like I said, I was saying before, I mean, I'm probably going to end up doing it, but like, I'd like to make a game where there's no shooting. Like, or, yeah, something like that. Or maybe shooting, but not like, I don't know. Like, I think I really, really want to try some sort of network type of a game. Even if it's just like a month-long or 2-month-long project where just to get my hands dirty with it, because I've never done it before. Everything I've made has always been single player. So I need a light behind this guy. So I'm just gonna help the boss. Oh. Oh, help people red. Blank. I know, right? Again, just to try, even if it's, I'd like to, I don't know. I don't have anything in the pipeline. It's really hard to sell 2D games these days, so I don't want to start anything heavy on that because it's odd that it's hard. It's easier to find matching 3D assets like asset packs that that kind of fit the same thing. It's easier to find that than it is 2D, unless you buy one giant massive pack. But don't, like, I don't know. Maybe I should just work with people. It's a funny thought. Maybe I should just do that. Okay, so you can go here. We're gonna tip you like this. We're gonna stick a light right behind you. Spotlight? Yeah. Oh, much stronger one than that. I'm gonna go call it Hell Creeper. Hell Creeper. Blank spotlight. Hey, Dev BB, how's it going? You heard of Kenny? Oh, thanks so much for the follow, man. Very much appreciated. Who's Kenny? Like, you know, the... Like, oh my god, you killed Kenny? I just wanted to do the voice. Sorry. Yeah, it's 2D. It's really hard. Like, it's not hard to find 2D assets. It's just hard to find matching sets. Or, you know, sorry, sets that have share the same art style. It's really hard. So to be brutally honest, that's what originally got me away from starting with 2D, and I was jumped in. Google Kenny NL. I will, Dev B. Actually, I'll throw it up now. I won't throw it on stream, but I'll just Google it now. Am I gonna get rickrolled? Oh, EY. Oh, fair enough. Assets. Oh, snap. I'm just now I'm interested. Sweet. Yeah, you know what? That's not bad. Thanks very much for that. He's got a lot of stuff up here. Oh, it's cheap too. Character? What's this character assets look like? Wow. Oh, these are 3D. How do I go back? Anyway, yeah, sorry. I'm gonna yeah, thanks for that, Dev. Very much appreciate it. I'm going to, yeah, I'll definitely check that out. There's geez, it's even got patterns. Sounds too. Nice. Blaster kits. Yeah, I'll take a look. Where's this 2D stuff? Oh, 2D right there. Derp. Wow, 1-bit pack. Wow, that's pretty damn cool. He's got a lot of stuff in here. I'm amazed. Vehicles? Yeah? Now the ideas are coming out. He's got a ton of stuff. Look, dude, really, thanks. Oh, fair enough. Well, again, I have zero problem paying, especially if it's for a new, like, well, I mean, it's not exactly a hot or a hot topic. Hot topic? Whatever the fuck term, I can't think of it. Hot take, that's what I'm looking for. But obviously, you know, I'd prototype with the simplest stuff I can find, even geometric shapes, and then once I like it, I have zero problem putting in a ton of money. Zero problem putting in a ton of money. Asset Forge? All right. So I just want to get this lit. Okay, so that needs to be, oh, that's why. I don't care about real time. Shadows, yes. We'll go soft shadows just for the sake of soft shadows. Range, we'll go 100. Oh, there we go. Kinda that. Now the player will be roughly here. So if basically this is what's going to happen, kinda. Ah, see, I don't want that. Like that, I mean, you won't see this. Because the player will be here looking this way, so the camera won't see this guy, but the shadow I want to clip the player. So I might not even want, apply root motion. I might even just go hard shadows. Now the spotlight itself, I might Move around a bit more. No, it's got to be right on the player, so roughly right there. What if I go down more? Nope, it's got to be up. I need to get that. Cool. That'll probably work. I just got to make sure. I might even move the legs a bit. Okay, so we're gonna start you out at what, 1? What did I say? Now I'm really wondering if I can just scale that up. Warp player to the new position. He comes in. Let's see. Is it a flow input? iQueen. Scale from scale 2. Okay. Target game object. I've never tried this before. More linear. Loop type, none. 2 scale, 555. That's very nice. 2 transform, no, to scale. Now, can I wait? Wait until finished. Yes, that's perfect. This actually might work. Over 1 second. How long? Yeah, well, we'll see. Whoa, water down. Whew. Lid was on. Oh, fair enough, Josh. I'll look that up too. Why not? Why not? Okay, hold on. I want to bookmark this Kenny thing. Done. Asset Forge. I never heard of Asset Forge. Kit bashing. Oh, I've heard kit bashing before. Ah. Okay. Wait a minute, is there licensing? Hold on a second. The creations you make are your property. Oh. That's awesome. Curious, wow, how much is it? That's it? 40 quid. I'd pay that in a heartbeat. No problems there, I would pay for that. I'd even pay for that just to fuck around with it. 40 US dollars, no problem. Well, the only thing is, you gotta have a pretty damn good imagination, because you're literally just getting a bunch of blocks. But it's really cool, like it looks like you can design, like I've never really looked into this before, you can actually design and then export the whole thing as like an FBX or something. Oh, you can even do 2D sprites. Oh, this is... Wow, yeah. I might buy this just to play around with it. That's cool, man. Josh, thanks for that. No, look, it looks good. Obviously, I'm going to look for some reviews, but like, I'm not going to drop 40 quid for nothing. But I mean, just the ability, like, it all depends on how much comes with it. So I'm sure there's limitations, which... Fair enough. There's always going to be limitations with anything, especially anything that generates visual assets. You can never substitute someone doing it by hand. You know, creative style. Now, the other thing is too, I can always say, for example, the 2D, I can take this sprite and then I can bring that into like Affinity Photo or Photoshop, whatever, and then I can edit it from there and apply like maybe a stylized filter or you know, tweak the saturation. You know what I mean? Like I'm sure the features that it doesn't have, I have other bits of software that can do that. And once I make the profile, then it's just churning them out. But I don't know. I'll take a look. But thanks for that, Josh. That's really, really cool of you. Okay, so what happens now after we've... where is this? Okay, so we're just going to have him say something. I'm going to copy this. This is assuming all of this works. Everything that I'm doing in here works. Just for the sake of it, I'm going to say, oh shit. And then that goes to here. Yeah. Now I'm pretty sure if I copy and paste that, and this one I change to final boss. And I'm not even gonna wait, no, just continue. I'm not gonna wait to finish because final boss, I don't need this. Delete, and I don't need this. Basically, I'm just turning on the bot. Actually, do I even need the block then? It doesn't matter. And then that, well, and then I need, okay, I'm gonna test this out. See how it goes. And actually, I just wanna make sure this final bot. Now I'm probably gonna get thrown an absolute truck ton of errors. Yeah, okay, it's right there. So you, oh, wait, there's a flaw. We need another scripting reference here. I have to turn on the fake set active. I have to turn on the fake Hell Creeper. You get turned on. And you start off at 0, 0. And hopefully, oh, but see the camera. Okay, so there's other things I need to set up, the V cams. Hey, Danny, how are you? Thanks for popping in. Okay, so I need a V cam. Just realizing I need to. So do I have any V cams in here? Not bloody likely. Da 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 da. For recording mesh surface. Wait, can I do that? No. Why won't this go down here? I want it separate. Don't want it there. Guess I can put it there, but I can't get my hierarchy to be the whole screen. Wait. Unity, you suck sometimes. Like I want this. Okay. I want it to be the whole thing. It's so annoying. Wish I would have saved my layout from before. Oh, fair enough, Dev. Well, again, like I said, I have no problem throwing money at people who produce good stuff. It's well worth it. Like, it's free assets are grand, or even like the dirt cheap assets are great for prototyping and whatnot, and trying to hash out an idea. But when it comes time, like, unfortunately, within your theme and the style that you're looking for, visuals sell the game. Like, the visuals draw the eye, to a certain extent. But it's easy. Put it this way: a nicer looking game or a more consistent looking game is easier to sell than one that's not. So, but that's pretty neat that it did that. UI Elements Debugger. Oh, that's pretty cool. I never tried this before. Oh, this is neat. Can I play around with this and actually... Where's my margin? I don't know how to do this. Margin. Order padding. I don't know, whatever. Get rid of that. What was I doing again? Oh, fucking V-cams. I have to dick around with this now. Okay, so Cinemachine, create virtual camera. It's been so long. Yeah, I think virtual camera. Yes, I am Dev. Hey, Sundry, how are you? A good few of the Cynthia assets, actually. That put it up top, didn't it? Oh no, it's at the bottom. VCam, yay! So. The new UI builder? No. Not that I know of. Am I? No, this version of Unity is only 2019.1. Create empty. Oh, that's a you can any of these windows. It's been there for a while since I forget. Anyway, you go to UI Elements Debugger, and then you can kind of. It's basically like, I don't really know why it's there. Yeah. So if you're having problems with your Unity windows, it's basically, I think it's there more for custom. Just you click that the little hamburger thing up there, hit Unity or Elements, and then like you can change the. Can I actually change it right there? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. No, it won't let me. Cache contents, right and end. I broke something right there. Yeah, most likely. All I want is this hierarchy panel to go all the way down to the bottom. But it won't. I can't get it to do it. I want it there. Like, I can't get it to go there. Oh, wait, if I do it there. Oh, wait. And I just want you at the bottom there. Yeah! That's all I wanted. Yay! What? Let me save this. Save layout. Save. So annoying. Oh, I don't know. I wasn't. I just clicked on it to just to see. Hey, can I do something in there? I never really went into it before. What the fuck was I doing? I'm distracted again. Ugh. Oh. Oh, that's pretty neat. Fair enough. I never looked into it before. Oh, it's odd. I only generally, well, I mean, it's not odd. I generally only learn the stuff that I need to know yeah. I haven't gotten that, but I've had problems where my, like this whole bottom window was just all pure black. And then the only way for me to fix it was to, and that's why I had to screw around. I had to go back to one of the default layouts, and it seemed to fix it. But yeah. It was when I was playing around with upgrading this project to the lightweight rendering pipeline, and I just had nothing but problems. So I said, screw it. I just went back to the new one. The next project I do will be with the newest stable version of Unity. Well, stable. Oh no, I do code. It's just for any of my narrative stuff, I find it easier to do it with the with the visual scripting. By far, it's just easier to mix and match for timing and blah blah blah. But there's nothing really. Actually, I haven't showed. You know, I will show this. Oh, yeah. I wanted to show off the outline just to get your guys' opinions on it. Oh fuck! I forgot. There's a virtual camera in the scene. Fuck off, virtual camera. Boop. There we go. Is you gonna play? There we go. So it's still the buildings. The big, super tall buildings still get see-through. However, say if I go here. Actually, the walls are probably perfect for it. If I go around the wall, the player now has the outline, and the walls, like the smaller stuff doesn't stay. So the outline's not nearly as nice as I want it to be. But any of the tall, actually, I can even, these guard towers I can change too. They don't need to be. But the super tall buildings, like even some of the smaller. I mean, it is functional. It's and I'll tell you, yeah. See, the bigger buildings. See, I need to play around with it a lot more. But the interiors are a lot nicer to seemingly to deal with. So let's just go into this. It's still temporary. I think I like it too. So like even like, you know, behind couches and stuff. But interior, the whole reason I went through this because I was having interior issues. So you guys, I think I showed last stream where when I had these walls going transparent, the light was coming through, and after an absolute truck ton of research, unless you write your own super designed custom shader or pay someone to do it for you, any standard Unity shader that has fade or transparent, the less alpha you have, the more light comes through. So there's just no way around it. I tried utilizing render textures on second camera. I tried 1,000 things and it didn't matter. So then that's why I figured, okay, I'll just try. I wanted to try the outline stuff before, and seems to be okay. Why is my scale off? There we go. Yes, and yes, right now enemies do. Enemies obviously are outlined in red. None of the key items, like none of the weapons or key item pickups or ammo or health packs, those don't get outlined because, I mean, a part of this game is exploring. So I don't want to just show everyone where everything is. One thing I do need to do is I have to make some of the enemies turn off their outline. For example, when they die, because they sink into the ground when that blood stuff comes up, but you can still see them. You can still see the outline of them. So thankfully the outline script is like, you don't need to. It doesn't. How do I say it? It doesn't screw anything up if you just turn it on and turn it off. Thankfully. Now, I haven't done too much performance testing, but it doesn't seem to give me too much of a performance hit, if at all. So oh, is that in here? Yeah, there's still a bit of light bleed, but that's in this, like right there, you can kind of see it. That's just because this is a very makeshift room. I put this together very quickly for a proof of concept. But yes. Oh shit, I gotta change that too. There's a backlight on the player, I just have to make it affect the player. But yes, there is some light bleeding. There's a little bit of bleeding right along the edge, and some of the walls connected, yeah. Again, I can fix that with normal biases and whatnot. Yeah, there's like I said, you see the backlight on the player. There's a backlight lighting the player's back so you can see it. Yeah. That's oh, I'm getting that weird banding. Oh no, it's only happening on that wall. That's weird. But yeah, that's just changing a few layers here and there. But yeah, the outline, it seems, I like it more, and it makes it I think it promotes also for the player to oh geez, are they still going up? I think the outline also reminds the player, hey, you should rotate your camera. It's something that I have to put across. Yeah. So, but like I said, the big wall still, you can still see through. It still does a see-through thing. Oh, that's odd. Why did that happen? Is that not? Oh, that wall's not. Okay. Yeah, okay, that works. Crypto miners? Wow. Yeah, look. Well, see, the really shitty thing is Nvidia and AMD, they don't give a shit. They're making money hand over foot, and they will be for a good while. So, like, what are you gonna do? Although it's a nice time to like, if I was gonna sell mine, I'd probably make a freaking, well, I wouldn't make a fortune, but I'd probably, nah, I wouldn't make what I paid for it, but I just don't have anything to replace it with. So, well, that's not true. I have a 980 Ti kicking around here. Well, it's in my server. Fuck. Anyway. Yeah, what was I doing? Oh, the VCam. Oh shit, undo that. I need to move. Oh, I don't. VCams. Put you in here. Boop. So you need to go over there. Way over there. $1660 Super went from, wow. 70. How the hell did he get 70 of them? I'm sorry, Sundry. Eventually it'll die down. It will happen eventually. But it's not going to be anytime soon. It's not going to be anytime soon. See, what... I mean, if NVIDIA and AMD... Here's the thing. If NVIDIA and AMD really wanted to help the gamers... NVIDIA and AMD should actually make a dedicated mining card, a separate SKU that outperforms all of their gaming cards. I mean, you'd still get miners buying the the gamer cards, but most of them will be going for the mining, the mining one, because it would be, as long as it's better, noticeably better. Wow. That's awesome. Yeah, but he bought 70. So what are 3080s? Well, say he paid, what's MSRP for 3080? 700 quid? I forget. 500? No, 700. 700, 800. So he's actually, yeah, that's Jesus Christ. Yeah, well, he'll make all his money back, but God, did he spend a fortune? Oh well. Like, yeah, I wanted to buy a new GPU this year. Oh yeah, 10 months. Yeah, you're right, Dev. Yeah. Yeah, I was looking up maybe March or something. I was gonna look into to see. I want to wait for NVIDIA to have all their SKUs out though, before I even consider it. Like, I just want to see what all of their cards are going to be. I'm not going to go for 3090. I originally wanted to, but like performance-wise, I don't. Well, look, if I could find one and that's the only thing I could find, yeah, I would buy it. But I need a CPU. I need to replace this Threadripper. So I want to get a 5950X, but I can't find those fucking things either. It's very annoying. No worries. Like, I have no problems with people being fanboys, or rooting for their team. I just want the product that works best for my use case. I don't care about AMD or Intel. Like, I always root for the underdog, but like, it doesn't really bother me. Okay, so do I have? No, I need a target group VCam. So I need a tools window extend machine. That's what target group camera. Boop. Throw that in there. So your target group, it's going to be two things. We want the player to target. We want it to target the player, and we want it to target this fence. Yeah, that's fine. Am I gonna be able to get to it? No. Shit. So if I lock this. I'm just using this fence just for the sake of using the fence, because that's where I want the player to look. Yeah, I think it's around 900, 8, 9. That's MSRP. That's what I mean. Like, I'm not gonna pay $1,000 for it. No fucking way. So yeah, it's just not gonna happen. Yeah. Target group. No, VCam here. I clicked on the oh, because I'm locked. Jesus. I'm looking at follow. No, just look at this. This is a 60 field of view. 930. I mean, yeah, it's expensive. Well, if I'm SRP, nice, Dev. I have a PC sitting right here. It's one of my. It used to be my dev machine. It's a i7 4790K. There's no GPU in it. It's just straight up just iGPU, and I use it to test this game. But I don't think I'll ever get rid of it. I've had it for 7 or 8 years now. and I love it. It won't die. It's I'm finding it hard to cool though. I think all the thermal compound underneath the IHS is dust. But i5s are still fine, man. Yeah, so now I have to test this. Ugh, follow priority. Priority 10 doesn't matter. Window game guides, I don't care. So if I turn this on, why are you looking that way? Oh, because the player's over there. Okay. So we got to test this. I don't think, no, hold on. This VCam needs to, there we go. Oh, it'll look this way. Target group would look that way. So, okay, let's just test this out. Fuck it. And actually, the one thing I do need to get rid of, dialogue items. Where are you? Level map objects. The dialogue triggers is this start fight. I don't need to call this anymore. Delete that one. Delete. Okay, let's just see what happens. Let's move our player into the base because I'm not doing the code. Where's this temp position? It's way over there. Whoop. Just put it right in there. Right there. And let's see how it breaks. Because I'm sure it'll break. Let's find out. Oh, I didn't assign the say dialogue. That's gonna look ugly. Oh, the VCam's still on. Son of a bitch. And I didn't turn this guy off. See, there's always something. I should just turn this off. The spotlight needs to go off too. Fuck, I'll do it now. So there's, I also need to duplicate this. And instead of that, I need the spotlight to go there. You get there. The spotlight should go on first. Yeah, that's better. Okay, let's try it again. Where is my VCam? Oh, never mind. I didn't. Sorry, guys. Oh. So with the stream saying that this is the last part, how long have you been working? Oh, well, it'll be 2 years in the late spring, early summer, somewhere around there, roughly. I wanted to release at the end of last year, but the amount of time, available time I had to throw at it was just non-existent. So everything's prolonged. But this is the last set of, we'll say, scene mechanics. After this, everything else is just refinement. For the most part, whether it's, you know, writing refinement or boss, you know, tweaking bosses, the like I said, the outline thing that I'm trying to maybe use, yeah, visuals, like the lights themselves in the game, like the street lights or the fire. Actually, the fires are fine, but like there's always going to be visual tweaking. But then, like after I get this scene done, and I want to start doing play tests from start to finish, trying to break the game. I'll have to write some test cases though, a lot of them. I wish I could or automate it, but I can't. Sorry. Here is where we need to turn on the VCam. Let's duplicate that. So let's turn. Actually, I think it's just this one VCam. Isn't it? Yeah. And then here, I think. What happens at dialogue end? If I copy this and I throw that here, and then right after this, I turn the VCams off. That should be fine. VCam's false. Okay, finally, hopefully, maybe, not really. Let's just try it, see what happens. It's on, yep, maximize. Let's warp our player. Boop. Why are the VCams on? Why are the VCams on? Off. Why do they turn on? Oh, there's two fucking VCams. Why is there two VCams? Oh, it made it when it made the target group, that's why. fucking VCams made my camera field of view. Sorry, everyone. You delete VCam 1 that is at 60. Main camera, where are you? Hey. Yeah, I don't know. See, it changed it to whatever. So I hate working with Cinemachine. It's great. I love it for its functionality, but fuck, is it tedious sometimes. Okay, we should be good now. It's gonna break. Hey, there we go. So we hit the trigger, hopefully. I should put this trigger. The say dialogue's not right. Anyway, blah blah blah. Who cares? Yeah. So warps should warp the player. Ah, it was close. And then the fight should. Oh, I forgot to turn it off. Okay. And I got a haul ass. I forgot to turn that one off. And I don't have any weapons. Is he gonna actually do anything to me? Ah! Oh, God. Okay. It's... Oh, that army guy! How are you? Jeez, I haven't seen you in a good while. So when we fade out, we have to turn off this. This guy's got to copy and paste. So this guy gets turned off. The light gets turned off too. Jesus, where's that spotlight? Paste. Spotlight gets turned off. The warping worked, but this guy here was a little too. Let's turn them both on. And let's actually make him. Oh, he's at 0. So he was a little too close. So let's move it back. Kind of like that. And you, and that should be fine. Where's the spotlight? Let's go a little wider. 90 is fine. The range, we'll go 200. I want a nice. Whoops. Unreal 4, good for you, man. Ah, P-Flan. Gee, some OGs coming back in. I haven't talked to you guys in forever, Zurzers. Great to see you still alive. So we can kick this guy back down to 0. And turn this off. Thanks so much, Regen. Thanks so much for the follow, man. Very much appreciated. What was I doing? Because what do we want to change? Okay, first the over. It needs to be two. I'd say 2 seconds. I can't believe the warp worked. Wait until finish is fine. I'll add a sound effect there, so it's like, you know, roar, it roars or something along those lines. The say dialogue. I can't believe I don't have one in here. Or do I? Do I? Oh my god, it's these old shitty ones? Oh, is that it there? Damn it, that's not it either. Say... Oh, is this it? Please tell me this is it. Oh, I think this is it. Thank Christ. So I can get rid of you. I think this is my prefab. What? Actually, I can tell. Where's my story text? Is it Text Mesh Pro? Yes! This is it. Thank Christ. Saved me a lot of fucking time. So let me apply that to these guys. Say dialogue. Set say dialogue. Boop. There, almost. Come on. Boop. Oh shit. That's what it's supposed to say. Okay, let's try it again and see. Actually, one thing I do want to change is the position of. Let's get the lights back on here. Is the position of The word I'm going to say is, it's not right, it's this one. Start narrative event. This one needs to be closer, because you can't really see the dead body, or maybe I just move the dead body closer. Yeah, why not just do that? Let's just move the dead body closer. Antagonist, let's move him over here. And it's got his blood stain. Move it there. And we can move these around. Hey, no, the blood stain, you daffy bastard. I'm gonna I can just get rid of you. Boop. Basically make it look like he kind of walked over and crawled. So now, with our, so the player will hit it. See, the player runs over here. Okay, well, here's what I'm gonna do then. Right here is we're gonna put another small little eye tween. We're gonna rotate, I think it's rotate 2. Where did that go? Rotate 2. In here, we're going to target object. Rotates a game object to the specific angles over time. Okay, so player. This is why I like using, this visual editor is called Fungus. It's a free one. It's not even a visual editor. It's more for dialogue, but because you can do some mini code, it makes narrative that much more, I don't say fun to work with, just fucking easier to work with. So to that, look at that. Players there. Duration, like 0.1 second. I don't care. Not punch. Just linear. Loop type none. Stop previous tweens. Wait until finish. Yeah, sure. Is local. Oh, that's for the rotation. Okay, let's try it again. Everything's off, right? Well, I should actually read. Let's warp. Go. I should put a V cam there too. He never made it to the medical tent. Looks like he crawled most of the way there. Oh. Oh. Weird. So what is that little? I'll have to find out what that is. That's not so bad. Oh, this is bad though. The camera coming back though. I didn't like that at all. Oh, and that body needs to go. It's lots of stuff. Lots of stuff. That body needs to be turned off. So... Wolf Blaze, how are you? Wait, how long have I been working on this? Or how long have I been streaming? Or how long have I been alive? Making a game. It'll be 2 years in April, May-ish. But it better be fucking released well before then. Well before then. Because I can't take the shit anymore. What am I doing? This is where I turn all the stuff off. So the antagonist gets turned off too. Duplicate you. Antagonist gets turned off. And... No, that was fine. The... over 2 seconds. It seems still a little bit fast. I'm going to try 3. Just to see... Oh yeah, and I wanted a V cam for the player looking at. Oh, okay. Well, those are just because of the game itself. Because there's so much going on in the hierarchy. These color things, and you can't see, but that's like a picture of my player. And on my this little targeting one, that's how I warp my player around during the game. A little script I wrote, and then I got a little camera icon. It just helps me locate the things that I move around or utilize the most. And it's a plugin called Rainbow Hierarchy. There's Rainbow Hierarchy and Rainbow Folder. How do I remember the definition of code? You mean like all of the different functions, or like, or do you literally mean the definition of what code is? I don't think you mean that, but sorry, I'm just being cheeky. Like Wolf, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, the what worked for me was just write your code. Like, you're gonna be Google. I still Google. You're gonna be. I've been a Unity programmer, for lack of a better term, for 6 years now, maybe 7, somewhere around there. And you just with practice, you just learn them and know them. But again, I don't know them all. You look at something called IntelliSense. Or IntelliSense. It's built into, well, it should be built into Visual Studio. That's a big help. Autocomplete stuff, that helps a lot too. But like, there's no, like, technically there's a manual that you can go and read them all. But like, the only way to really get them stuck in your head is to use them. So learn as you go. I wish I had a better advice, or if you really want some sort of like carried direction, do the Unity coding tutorials, especially the ones that help you, especially the ones that like bring you through making an actual project, like the rollerball one, or maybe you've done the or whatnot, but like what I would do is, for example, the rollerball or rolling ball one, I kept doing it until I can reproduce all the code by myself. Even though I didn't understand all of it right out of the gate, like some of the rotational stuff with quaternions, I couldn't latch on right away. But like, I knew what each of the code functions could do that were in that project, because I just kept remaking. I know it sounds awful and boring. It worked for me. I'm not saying you have to do it, but like, work with it as much as you can. But don't feel bad if you have to like go to the Unity forums, or use Google, or go to Stack Overflow, or go on Discord. Speaking of which, you should join the Discord for programming and coding help if someone wants to hit that button from me. Sundry's probably going to beat me to it. I should actually have a macro. There we go. So, also, I might as well chill out because we're roughly halfway, or a little bit more than halfway through the stream. If you want to playtest the survival mode of this game, you can go to Steam right now and search The Caretaker, not Caretaker, The Caretaker, and there'll be a button that says, request access or something like that, or request playtest, or just click it and you'll automatically get to download the demo that's out there. It's all of the survival modes unlocked, so you can try out basically the combat system of the game. The outline stuff's not in it, but yeah, I haven't put a build up on a new build since maybe beginning of December, so thanks for that, guys. Yeah, look, yeah, Google, man. As much as I hate to say it, but I mean, people in the industry that are in there like 10, 15 years, they still Google shit. You're never gonna learn it all. I mean, some people do. Some people are like savants that way, but like, it's just one of those things. So instead of this VCAMs, I can't do that now. So VCAMs is not this one, it's VCAM 1. I'm gonna call this player gate VCAM. And then I need another one of these. I'm gonna duplicate. I am gonna put another one in. So target group, actually this will be target group 2. Hey. And this will be the player and the antagonist. Boop. And this will be player antagonist cam. And no, you're looking for V group. No, you are V group 1. And you are V group 2. Oh, that did work. Hey. So here we want VCAM. So I'm just so instead of VCAM being true, I want player VCAM. It's true. Sorry, no, that's this one. And then when we warp it, we want, hey, come on. After we warp the player, we want this is not player gate. You got player. Shit, no, that is the right one. This one's the antagonist cam. I need to also duplicate that. Put that here as false. Okay, that should be it. Okay, let's see what that looks like. The only thing I don't like is how slow he's in and out. It's so slow. I'm gonna go 0.1 seconds to see how fast I can blend it back in. Yeah. .unity.com should get a cool program. Yeah, fair enough, man. Yeah, but yeah, like I'm absolutely floored on how much good stuff is on there. There's some bad stuff on there too. Did I not turn on the VCam? Why did that not get turned on? Oh, because I'm an ass. These VCams are turned off. There we go. Oop. Try it again. Oh shit. Warp player. Warp. Ah, okay, so let's fix this VCam. You need to not be there. You need to be, go local. Maybe here. Nope. There. Up a bit. That's not bad. It's not good either, but it's not bad. The blood having a shadow, I gotta fix that. I gotta turn the shadows off on the blood. I remember the math teacher using some words. Trying to improve though, no support. No, dude, P-Flan, it's fine. Totally fine. By the way, Sundry or anyone else, did you try World of Tanks yet? And anyone else that's new in here, I know there's a couple new people. At the end of every month, I still don't know the date yet, but at the end of every month we do a community game night. So any projects that you might be working on, or anything that you want feedback on, whatever, join a Discord, throw it in the community builds or community games, community builds channel, and I'll play it or use it on stream as long as everything works and functions. And if there's time left after that, we all play a game together, or games depending on how much time. But we're looking for trying something else. No, I with enough people, I really want to play Left 4 Dead 2. Hopefully enough people own it. And if not, someone had suggested World of Tanks, which should be able to run on pretty low-end hardware, so everyone should be able to get it. The only thing is it's a big download. So I was hoping... Oh, well, Sundry, I thought you had taken care of that. I thought you were going to delete something. Well, why do you have to put it on your SSD? You just put it on the hard drive. It's just a test. Oh, nice. Not yet. Again, just me being curious. Because, I mean... Just saying. That's fine, but again, it's not the end of the world. I mean, don't look, put it this way. All of my Steam games are on my server. And besides my cache drive, they're all hard drives. They're all spinning rust, so to speak. So, like, I'm not running any games off SSDs on my PC. And they load fine. They're not even, like, you know, they're not enterprise class hard drives. Well, I think other than 70, if it's not 7200 RPM, it's 5600. I don't think they made slower ones than that. I don't think. This is 5200. 56, 56. But yeah, I run all my games off of off my NAS. So, and it's my load times are not bad at all. Okay, if you couple that with like network speed, like you'd think it would be a bad experience, but it's really not. Okay, so this looks a bit better. Actually, what am I doing? Just do it live like this. Or can I do it live? Well, let me do it live. Okay, anyway, let's copy this. Copy component. Go back out. We're almost there, people. Almost there. Oh shit, maximize derp. The only other thing I might do is warp the player. Yeah, see, it's I'm gonna have to warp the player over to this guy anyway, because the player could enter in over there and it's gonna look really awkward. Oh, and I gotta fix the text. Okay, so that's it. Ooh, that was a bit of a weird transition. Those shadows need to be fixed. Transition out, and that is a very slow ass camera transition. It's not awful, but it needs to be way faster. I need weapons. Do I have any weapons over here? Let's shoot some shit. I got some weapons. Ah. Also, fire. I gotta change the boss music. That tank is floating for no apparent reason. Is that the only weapons I have in here? I have more than that. Oh, I got a knife. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, okay, I got a bug. Oh, we got an error there. I have a lot of games on it, but there's no more. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, just like, well, yeah, that's the main reason I went for NVMe. Yeah, it's for, because there's, I do a lot of, transferring back and forth from my server to my PC, you know, blah, blah, blah. I also serve, all of this cached stuff on my server is on an NVMe because it's, I sent all my, how do I say it, my media, out to all the TVs and, well, tablet or phone, blah, blah, blah. So it's, I'd rather the hard drive or the storage not be the bottleneck and rather it be the speed. Yeah, for games, like, your load times might be a little longer. But, like, I know who did it. Actually, was it Gamers Nexus? Actually, it might have been even Hardware Unboxed. One of the two, or both, maybe. They did a massive test on this, and there is a difference, but it's not like... It's not major. Like, I think maybe Doom Eternal took a while. I think. I had an error there. What the hell was it? Execute block. Oh. Oh, does one of these stupid weapons have a... Oh. Oh, it's probably the knife. Block to execute. Yeah, you fucker. That's why. It was one of them. Where is this? Oh, it's... Oh, I was wondering where the fucking machine gun was. Yeah. I don't know, Sundry. I don't think it would be. I mean, there might be a difference, but I don't think it's a tangible. I don't think it's a noticeable one. I actually like. I don't think. Like, the biggest bottlenecks for Unity, I don't know what it is for Unreal. I imagine it's kind of the same. Is baking. Actually, I know for Unreal, the compiling takes a lot longer because they're just doing more. But baking, building, and depending on, like, you know, yeah, anything you have to bake. So whether it's nav meshes, whether it's shadows, whether it's lights. Speaking of lights, this stupid spotlight needs to be soft shadows because that was disgusting. Light flare, auto culling mask, everything that's fine. Auto, 200. Yep. What else? The VCam was fine. Oh yeah, I wanted to warp the player. So there's a few more things. We're getting there. Because the next time you'll get a narrative block is when the boss dies, and when the boss dies, then it's just a small little bit, and then yeah, that's it. Like, to put it in perspective, and this might be slightly off topic. When I was still using my old dev box with i7 in it, which is 4 cores, 8 threads, and I think I had it overclocked to 4.4 gigahertz. When I moved to this system, which is Threadripper 2950X, it's 16 cores, 16 threads. Sorry, 16 cores, 32 threads at 3.5. No, sorry, it boosts to 4 on all cores. Anyway, my build times on the i7 machine was roughly 40 to 45 minutes. When I moved to this machine, my build time was less than 6 minutes. For the same game, and I made sure I tested it out. Light baking used to take me about 2 hours or so on the other box. On this one, the light baking took I think for the most demanding scene was at scene 8. It was a little under 10 minutes. Now, in fairness, I also at that time because I didn't put anything on the GPU. So like, the time amount is the time savings. Oh, sorry, it wasn't 10 minutes. Jesus Christ, it was less than half an hour. Way less than half an hour. Yeah, I don't want to talk about that P-Fline. That makes me hurt. Flowchart. So I need another stupid event warp 2. I'm gonna put gate warp 2. Gate warp 2 position, and then I need a antagonist warp 2 position. Whoops. I still can't believe CPU prices, though. That still bugs me. So here, where's my warp 2? We're gonna copy. We're going to paste. For player 2, antagonist. And we also have to rotate the player. Where are you? I just had it. Oh, it's already there. Okay. So we warp the player, then look at it. It's fine. Yeah, now why is my main camera... Roll up override. Oh, right, because at the end I'm not... I am setting my position. Local position. Is that it? Get local position. That might be why. Let's try that out. You got it in at the right time, Danny. Even though there's much better out there today. Yeah. Yeah, look. I'm not too. I mean, I understand that MSRP is a pipe dream. You'll like. I don't think anyone's ever going to pay for MSRP for any computer fucking product. Maybe no, not even RAM. Maybe a case. But I actually think that like if I have to pay 50 quid more, I get it. It's fine. Okay. But you know, if I'm paying like 200 quid more, I don't know. But what was I gonna say? GPU prices. I don't know. That's just it's a pipe dream. Okay, so with the warp, I'm gonna try to enter in. If I go this way over here, what happens? Perfect. Move it over. Oh, and I never made the spelling changes. I don't know why. Some character got creeped in there. Oh, these blood. I still have to take that out. Okay. Oh, the shadows are junk. Look at this. Why? Okay, hold on, those shadows are driving me bonkers. Soft shadows, real time. Resolution. Try medium. It's weird that that happens. Don't know. What was I doing? Yeah, Flynn. Oh, Sundry. 160. Yeah, that's yeah, when I was building this PC, I remember paying an extortionate amount for my RAM too. I literally paid 30%, because in this PC there's 32 gigs of RAM, in my server there's 32 gigs of RAM. It's not Vengeance. It's not Dominator. What's the other one? I forget. Anyway, they're still made by Corsair, the RAM. Same speed, same blah blah blah. You know, 4x8. But for the server for my RAM for my server, I paid about 30% of what I paid for those. I was so mad. And yeah, I really want. Oh, there's so much shit that I want. There's so much shit that I want. Okay, let's get these stupid bloodstains. All of them do not need to be casting shadows. Oh, where did those ones go? Off. Okay, so what was the problem I was having? Oh yeah, the camera fade in. So that this get local position. Yeah, it's gonna be local. I have to follow it actually. I saw that, Sundry. I know, that's so overkill. RGB cables. It's just one more thing to fail. I mean, don't get me wrong. Looks pretty damn cool. But it's just, I don't know. It's just too much for me. Okay, right now I need to follow my camera. I know that sounds weird, but I need to follow it. Do I have everything on there correctly? I do. Debug. Default blend. Okay, so, sorry, yeah, look for my camera. Oh. Okay, so let's make this, because I need to watch my camera here, where the hell it goes. Okay, it goes there. God, that's so... Why is this... Okay. Okay, it moves there, that's fine. Now, where does it go after this? I'm gonna pause it. Okay. Where the fuck does my camera go? It goes there, it goes back to where... Oh! Okay. That's actually not a bad PC though, P-Flan. Hey, Hero, how are you? So instead of this, I think I can just call... I think I can actually... I don't think I need this. Let's turn that off. If I call my main camera, I think I actually have a script for this already. If I go follow camera, update cam position. I think that'll do it. Let's try it again. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, look. Don't worry about being late. Oh, I'm over here now. I'm over here now. There's so many little things I need to fix. I saw spelling mistakes. The shadow is... Oh, that's... I don't know what that shadow's from. Why are the... Do I have anti-aliasing? Look, this is really ugly looking. Hey, there we go. Fix the camera. Fix the camera. Now, I don't have the outlines on the bosses yet. Because I don't really think I need them. Jesus Christ, that range is insane. All the weapons work still. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Why is that not coming up? Where's my inventory selection? Where is it? It's on. Huh? Oh yeah, look, my player UI is gone. What the hell happened? Yeah, where'd my player UI go? It's got a canvas group. I now gotta find out what happened to the canvas group. What turned that off? See, it's there. Shit. It's gotta be the canvas group. Something's turning it off. Canvas group gets set to 0 in here and never gets turned back on. Why? That's why. I never turn, I need this. Copy. Jesus. Paste. Shit. Yeah, I forgot to, Boolean off. That's why. Now, just to make sure. Play it again. Play it again, Sam! That's really good, actually. 650? For 240, that's pretty damn good. For 1650, because does the 1650 have the NVENC encoder in it? I'm pretty sure it does. Why didn't that move my player? Oh, it did, I'm just on the wrong fucking side. Hold on, let's... That's perfect. By the way, this whole menu here, this is going to the side. So I'll have, sorry, my camera's in the way, but I'll have like the health items, actually I'll have the health items up right above where your health and ammo is, which you can't see because my camera's in the way. And then all the key items will be up the side. So you'll be, and then when you're not in this menu, you won't be able to interact with them, but you hold Alt and you'll be able to click on one of them instead of having this separately. It's just easier, I think. I think it's just easier. Why are the shadows so piss poor there? There, yeah, that's why. Whoops. I also slowed time down when you have the inventory open to just so you have more time to choose. Combat text? Yeah. Curious guys, I have a question for you. Combat text. For those who have played the survival mode, does combat text, does it matter for you? Like, does it, if it wasn't there, would it be a big deal? Or do you think it's necessary? Or, you know what I mean? I'm really curious whether or not I should take it out or not. You like it? Okay. Like, the only time I find it beneficial is when I'm, like, for when it helps me know that the player's taking damage. Oh, fair enough. Okay. Yeah, I suppose, I don't know. Just, maybe I'm just not digging it. Now. No, that's fine. Just wanted to know. Hell Creeper blank. Ah. Light probes off, cast shadows on. Dynamically occluded, it's fine. Receive shadows, of course they do. Edit bounds, no update went off screen. Ooh, yeah, let's do that. Quality, auto is fine. Render priority. I don't even know what that means. Yeah, damage numbers enemy, and yeah. Yeah, because you're right, the further away you are, that's true, I never thought about that, yeah, because the further away the enemy is, the less damage it does. Yeah, good call. I'll leave it in then. Update went off screen, sure. Why is this light? Shit. Let's move it up to high resolution. I don't know why. Oh, let's go important. Maybe that's why. I think it's important. Okay. Was there anything else? I mean, that's good. I mean, all this crap. So when the boss dies, do I actually need to call this? I just make the Hell Creeper true. Yeah, I don't even need this. So I can get rid of this. Delete. Shit, where did I put that? Here. There. Yeah, I don't even need this. Actually, I'll just go boss, final boss, death. And on the Hell Creeper, enemy health, block to call on death, final boss death. Boop. There we go. Yeah, that's true as well. Yeah, I can put it. It's easy enough to put in the menu. Just do a bool check. That's a good call. I could do the outline as well too, to turn off on or off the outline. Could. Let me save this before Unity decides to take a dump all over me. Okay, so this final boss death needs this. Oh, sorry, it's this. This is what I wanted. You and you copy, paste. Oh, and delete you. Set up an end. Okay. So what now happens at the end? I originally had a plan. Oh, okay. It's basically this here. Cool. Nice and simple. Probably end up doing a VCam, maybe. I don't know. Let's just copy this because it's already set up. Boom, shaka laka laka. Copy. Whoops. Copy. Paste. Okay. Copy. Just getting my text for my little narrative map. Flow rate, we're gonna wait for what, 1, 2, 3, say 3 seconds. Copy, paste. Copy. Paste. Cool. And then blah 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 end scene. So let me fix there some spelling and weird. Huh. I don't have commas? That's fucked up if that's true. Yeah, that's the right one. Okay. So we can simulate this. This will need to warp the player back to the gate. And then I'll need a narrative thing at the top. When the screen fades out, I need a narrative thing, basically like a game closer paragraph or something like that, which is fine. Of course it's fine. What? Jesus. I think. Where do I want to warp the player? I can leave the... See, I want to delay this. Let's borrow this, copy here. Put it here, paste. 3 seconds. Yeah. Actually, yeah, put it there. Derp. Yeah, 3 seconds. I'm just not sure if I want to move the player to the gate or not. Yeah, I do. So I need another warp position. Oh no, I can use the gate warp, but this time I want the gate to actually be open. Thank God it's 2 pieces. Okay. Now where are the pivots for each of these stupid gates? Where's the pivot? Ah, thank God the pivots are there. Okay, okay, okay. So I don't even need to animate this. Or yeah, no, I can just do it through here. Great. I just don't know at what point to do it in. So let's put it here for now. Let's do a simple I-tween. Let's rotate from rotate to. I don't even know. Rotate from, rotate, yeah, rotate to. Target game object is this stupid wall fence here, which I really should take out. Here. Fuck, I lost it. God damn it, let's lock this screen. Rotation. So right now it's at -90. And I want to rotate it to, that's on the y-axis, to 0. Perfect. No, we want this straight open. Y-axis 0. Local, no, it doesn't matter, local position. Uncle Tor, how are you? What are you doing? Oh, sorry. Well, I'm gonna try this again just to go and because I know a lot of people. It's funny. Sometimes I always I forget, like, if when I'm working on something that's really minute and that's not very visually stunning, that other people actually want to see what the hell's going on. So I'll play this out again just to make sure that the stupid spelling changes I made were actually give me those weapons. I'm not gonna be able to kill the boss with even with all these. There's no way. I need you get the minigun in the sewer. Let's see if I get those spelling weird oddities. I still do. What is that space? I don't know what the fuck that is. To fix that. Oh god, the audio. The shadows are... Well, shit, it's better. But the shadows off this are not. Ah, no, run, stupid. God, I need it. This boss lacks all the audio. Ah, poison. Oh, burned. Burned and poisoned. He needs... I need mobs. I can't just do it the straight up boss. I need enemies. Oh, Jesus. Oh, bit of a lag there. Yeah, look, I know. It's, I think I might get rid of the breath. Sundry, I might get rid of the breath for... And you know those blobs that the maggot boss leaves? Those big growing poison blobs? I might do that. But then... I guess I can just make the poison breath shorter. It used to be longer. Oh, they don't despawn? Okay, well, yeah, it's something. It's more bugs than the bullshit. That's what it is. Okay, well, I'm not gonna ask you guys to watch me rotate a gate. I'm gonna try to rotate it another way before. Let me save this. Actually, hold on. What is my collab at? How much did I put in? Added. You can't see it because of the text. Added final narrative dialog. It's fine for now. Publish. How much? 100 megabytes. That's not bad. Oh, fair enough. Oh, is that okay? Yeah, no, obviously they didn't. There's the despawning issue. I think it's only set to be on a timer, I think. So maybe I don't know, maybe the script is off or something. Not sure. God, this uploading slow. Come on, upload better. Uh-oh. I'm using... What does that mean? Oh, okay, because I was uploading. All of a sudden my stream quality took a shitty nosedive. Anyway. There we go. So, I'm sorry for your experience there, Sundry. It's, once I have the core gameplay loop done, I am gonna have to go back to it and, yeah, but you've been absolutely instrumental in with the boss mechanics and the overall combat experience. Oh, it's like I said, I was uploading and I shouldn't have been. I'm just kind of worried my Unity will crap out on me, so I synced it to the cloud there. In any case, yeah. You still broke the record, you bastard. You are a bastard. Sundry, if you don't know, Sundry's been playing the survival mode on Steam for, God, I think I started putting up build in November, and he's currently at around, you beat it by 300k. Yeah, I really have to change how the scoring. I don't know how many digits I let the text box go to. I'm pretty sure 4 hours. You played it for 4 hours? Like you played the one round for 4 hours. Holy shit. Sundry wants that. Sundry wants that he wants to stand. No one's gonna come close to you, Sundry. You don't gotta work so hard. Look, don't get me wrong, I really appreciate the testing. I was gonna say, guys. Oh, I was gonna say, holy Christ. Oh, fair enough, man. You could? Yeah, you pretty much got, there's, oh, is there? Well, I hope you tell me what it is. You keep it in your back? Okay. Please tell me what it is before I release it. You prick. Alright. Alright. If anyone out there is new to the stream and likes what they saw in any way, shape, or form, please, you know, hit follow, subscribe, hit the bell, share it, add a comment, do whatever you can to try to get my content out more to people, because it's not so much, I'm not trying to be a Twitch star, a YouTube star. I'm not, I just need more eyeballs on the game. More eyeballs, the better. One, for testing and whatnot, and two, you know, feedback. So if you want to try out the game, you can, if I can type this fast and I can't, you can go to, might want to get to 1 million for fun. Jesus, Andre. Go to Steam right now and search The Caretaker, not Caretaker, The Caretaker, and you should be able to get immediate access to the survival mode build, where Sundry apparently is trying to break the numbers. How many numbers he can get in his score. He's just absolutely destroying it, so I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. And no, we don't. All right. Join the Discord as well for any upcoming game events that we do. Like I said before, the last Sunday or the last stream of every month. I think it's the last stream of every month, or no, last Sunday of every month. We do a community game night where I play your projects or whatever. Yeah, whatever you happen to be working on, as long as it's digital and works on my machine. And if there's time after, we all try to get into a game of something together. Hopefully we are going to do Left 4 Dead 2, maybe World of Tanks, but if not, there's Stick Fight, there's Scribbles, and you know, if we have enough people, Among Us is still fine, but we've never had enough to get a really good game of Among Us in. Anyway, so we'll put up what we're going to be playing in the Discord, hopefully somewhat soon. I still have to tell everyone when it is, because right now, the Global Game Jam is on the 30th and 31st, and I'm still not sure if I'm able to do it. It's all, obviously, it's going to be all be remote, whatnot, but if I am doing the Global Game Jam, it'll be on the 24th. If I'm not, it'll be the 31st. So, oh, sorry, old man young. But yeah, so I'm on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, and I hope I see everyone next, where we will be doing something. It all depends on how much time I get to throw at this game in between streams. But I'd love to do some more testing. I really want to see if I can get a full playthrough from the beginning to the end. I'd love to finally get that. That would be a massive milestone. A massive milestone. That would be so, and that means after that, I don't like using the term polish, but it's just upping the quality then of the visuals. There's actually, all the bosses need audio. I shouldn't say all the bosses. Half the bosses need audio. And lighting, some post-processing fixes. Gotta make sure that outline thing works properly. And just test. So to everyone out there, thanks so much for coming in, staying in, give me your feedback, and I hope you had a good time. I had an absolute okay time. But I'll see everyone on Thursday. Stay safe, stay happy, stay productive, and overall just be a good person, because we need more of those right now, especially in light of what's going on around the planet. So thank you all so much. I will see you hopefully Thursday. I said that already and I forgot. So see you guys. Bye. There it is. Stop streaming.